Ebola outbreak in Uganda. In the past month, at least 64 people in Uganda have been or are suspected of being infected with a rare species of Ebola virus. About 30 people have died. The rapid rise and spread of the lethal virus across 5 districts in Uganda have alarmed scientists and raised fears that the outbreak will not be easy to contain. Ebola is a rare and deadly disease with a death rate that has ranged from 25% to 90% in past outbreaks. The first symptoms to develop are usually fever, vomiting, headaches and fatigue, but the condition can worsen quickly to include damage to internal organs and death. Two main viral species give rise to Ebola in humans: Zaire ebolavirus and Sudan ebolavirus. Zaire ebolavirus caused a large epidemic from 2013 to 2016 in West Africa. That spurred the development of vaccines and treatments, which have since transformed the fight against Ebola. But similar therapies for Sudan ebolavirus, responsible for the current outbreak in Uganda, are still in clinical trials. The last outbreak caused by this species occurred in 2012 in Uganda. But Ebola is not new to Uganda. 5 previous Ebola outbreaks have taken place in the country, 4 of which were caused by the Sudan species. An outbreak in 2000, the largest in Uganda so far, involved 425 infections and 224 deaths. So the country is familiar with the rapid response measures needed to contain the virus. Ebola outbreaks have been difficult to prevent, because animals such as some monkeys and bats can carry the viruses and spread them to people. In rare cases, the viruses can linger silently in a person's body for months or even years after an initial infection, only to later emerge and spread to others. Vaccines are not enough. Because Sudan ebolavirus outbreaks have been rare, researchers have not been able to test vaccine candidates thoroughly. 3 vaccines have undergone early tests to ensure that they are safe in humans, but the larger trials needed to confirm efficacy haven't been possible.